In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask someone to open their camera in Zoom. If you're hosting or participating in a Zoom meeting and you want to invite someone to turn on their video, the process is very quick and simple. This can be useful during team meetings, online classes, interviews, or any situation where face-to-face interaction helps make communication feel more personal and engaging. To begin, look at the bottom area of your Zoom meeting window and click on Participants. This will open the participant panel, usually on the right side of the screen. In this panel, you'll be able to see everyone who is currently in the meeting. Take a moment to find the person you'd like to ask to turn on their camera. If there are many people in the meeting, it may help to scroll slowly and make sure you select the correct participant. Once you've found that person in the participants list, look for the camera icon next to their name. Click on that camera icon. When you do this, Zoom will send them a request asking them to start their video. This is a helpful feature because it gives the other person the choice to turn their camera on without putting pressure on them verbally in front of the group. Keep in mind that the participant still has control over whether to accept the request. If they choose to start their video, their camera will turn on and everyone in the meeting will be able to see them. If they don't respond or prefer not to turn it on, Zoom will simply leave their camera off. A good tip here is to use this feature politely